Hi, my name is Kim Cullen and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We represent a lot of people who've been involved in car accidents. And aside from talking to folks about their damages related to their injuries, probably the second most common thing we talk with them about is issues having to do with the damage to their cars. Usually it's very straightforward. Folks get involved in accidents, their car's damaged, they have the insurance company, one or the other of the insurance companies, pay for the damage to their car, they're back on the road, no problem. However, folks who drive cars that have extensive value, luxury cars, exotic cars, collector cars, if those cars are involved in car accidents, then sometimes the damage to those cars seriously impacts the value of that car when it comes time to resell it. So these kinds of claims are called diminished value claims. And while they seem like they'd be fairly simple, we've found over doing this for the last 25 years in Florida that Florida insurance companies hate to pay diminished value claims. Some states, for example, Georgia has a statutory system which places a percentage decline on a vehicle if it's been involved in an accident. The insurance company of the at-fault driver pays for that. Not the case in Florida. In Florida, if you want to make a diminished value claim, the consumer, the person who's been victimized in the accident, has to go find some sort of expert. Usually it's someone who is in the car business, someone who buys and sells cars, to take a look at the vehicle, research how much it would have been worth before the damage was done to it, and then how much it would be worth in the market now that it has damage on it, and offer that as an opinion. That's sometimes kind of costly to have that done. But it can be worth it in cars that have extensive value. You know, it's in the old days, when I first started practicing law, this was not an issue because you could sell the car and the buyer wouldn't have any information about it. But in today's world, with Carfax and other similar services, pretty much any consumer that wants to find out about the history of a used car can do so. And if a vehicle's been damaged, it's never going to sell for the same amount of money that it would have sold for had it not been damaged. If you have any questions about diminished value claims in Florida, please feel free to call me or my law partner Robert Hemphill at 407-254-4901, or you can always text us at 407-644-4444.